Hey y'all, what's up? Today's video we are going to talk about the December Whimsy box from Lace and Whimsy Studio, and of course it comes in a box. November's box had purple stuffing as well, or purple confetti. So December's box was a little bit different because everything came in this album. And it was meant to be an overview of all of the months of 2019, which is cool because I didn't subscribe till November, so I don't really know what the previous months looked like. So I think this is a cool idea. So let's go ahead and dive into this album. So I went through the album and 12 pockets were filled, so that leaves you with plenty of other pockets. So I love that the album was an item, a part of the box as well, And since only 12 pockets were filled, there were kind of like 2 or 3 items sometimes in some of the pockets. Some of them just had one, but some of them also had like 2 things in them. So there's more than 12 items in this stack here. This is the overview paper that she includes in each box. It says, to celebrate the end of the year, this month's box features a greatest hits collection of favorite designs from 2019. And it has everything listed here that is in the box. Let's go ahead and dig into it, or at least go through the stack. The first thing is a soft touch, if I remember correctly. Yes, soft touch dashboard. It has her info on the back. The next sheet, or the next item, is a sticker sheet of moon phases. When I subscribed to her box, I went through her Instagram feed like briefly. Well, not briefly, but I went through it. I noticed that I did like her art style. But I didn't realize that she sort of has like her own aesthetic when it comes to things. Like a lot of the themes that she chose this year or in 2019 are pretty purple blue based. I didn't realize that, which I like the color scheme. I just didn't realize that they would be so so close in color palette, I guess, which again, I like it, so I don't mind. But if you are not really into the whole pastel purple blue thing, then you probably wouldn't love this subscription. But if you went to her Instagram feed, then you would realize that before you purchased. I don't know. I don't know. I just didn't think that so many of the items would be on the same color scheme, which is kind of perfect because, you can like use all the items together. But anyways, so I like this moon sheet. This sheet, like, there's a lot of deco sheets, and like I'm not huge on deco, but since I'm trying to get more into like daily planning Bujo style, then I'm probably gonna become a deco type of girl. I love this sheet. It kind of has a star feel because there's some planets and you're made of stardust. That's nice. Look at that little deer, it's so cute. This is my favorite thing that was included because I'm all about the stars and the constellations, and I just love this so much. I don't know how I'm going to use this, but I'm going to use it and it's amazing. I need to figure out, let's look back, which is great that this paper exists. Let's see. What's your sign? 4x6 sticker sheet is what I think that is. Yeah. Oh, I need to see if I can get my hands on the rest of this box because I love this sheet. This is a mermaid feel. It's called Mermaid Magic. That's nice. Oh, look at this perfume bottle right there. She comes up with really good themes. Like, I love it. This one wasn't very, like, I didn't love it too much. I mean, I love it because of who is on it. But as far as, like, the colors, not so much. But they're cool nonetheless. She's so talented. These are kind of like tarot cards. The star, the moon, the sun. I did not know that tarot was pronounced, what is it, tarot? No idea. But I guess that's why I don't read cards anymore, obviously. I was big on reading tarot cards when I was in middle and high school. And since YouTube wasn't like that big around, I had never heard anyone say the word. So like, how was I supposed to know? Some date covers, and then this is, well, date words, they're not really covers. I'm like showing y'all all the goodies down there. This is a block of sticker. Alright, and these are my absolute flippin' favorite. There was one of these in November's box, and, well, not this one. There was a unicorn, like hollow, glitter, shiny foil die cut, and it was a unicorn. It was so pretty. Oh, I love this so much. Love this one. These are so pretty. These are going to be my favorite part of her boxes, I already know. Hopefully there's one in every month. Here's a unicorn. Y'all, you probably can't tell because I'm going to edit it, but the focus thing hates me right now. Ace of Wands, and then it has little foil on it. Oh, it's so pretty. Should I turn it down so you can see it better? Will that help? Y'all, it's so gorgeous. This says self-love elixir. Love. So I believe that the doily, this self-love elixir, and this sheet were in the same pocket. This is a lot to read. I'm gonna have to read this. But it looks to be explaining plants, which would be in the, oh gosh, I can't even, vintage book page and doily ephemera. Can y'all tell me if I'm saying that right? Is it ephemera or is it, if it has to be ephemera? And then one of these, which I think this came in November's box. I'm not entirely sure, y'all, but that is everything that was in the album. And I feel like it gave a good overview of what each month was, so awesome on that part. Although I am all about these goddesses and queens, I don't know if I would have purchased this box, but the rest of these are gorgeous. So yeah, she definitely has an aesthetic, which is pastel, and I kind of wanted to get a pastel aesthetic because everything that I do is neon. My room is neon, my shop is neon, like everything about me is neon. So I kind of wanted to step out of my element a little bit and, you know, do this. Not to mention, I said this in my last video, but I really wanted a subscription box that was hand-drawn. I'm trying to figure out exactly how I worded it in the last video because it was perfect, but I definitely just wanted a box where the owner or the seller of the box was the artist, and it was, you know, drawn in this style, if you will, like kind of this, not really doodle because it's way prettier than your average doodle, but I just wanted the artist to be the seller, and I wanted like a theme, and so this box was just perfect for that. And I think if you're watching this today, there is still time. I believe as long as you subscribe like halfway through the month, then you'll get this month's box. So if you're interested, I will put the link below, and I will also link November's box so you can see what was in that bad boy, which November's theme was like really cool. It was like night, I was about to say Nightmare Before Christmas. How like off topic and dreadful is that? It was 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, so it was kind of like Christmas slash sleepy dream pastel. It was like, it was pretty cool. It was an awesome theme. So I'm excited for this month's box. I don't think I've seen any sneaks. I try not to see sneaks because I like to be like hella surprised on stuff. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up because that hella helps my videos and my channels. And well, my channel, I only have one. Well, I have two. That's a whole different story. Thank y'all so much. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.